So once you download this template, you should get the zip file. Now just unzip it and you will get this folder over here. Now just open up that and you will find these subfolders inside it. Now if you just open up this After Effects folder, you will find this actual project file which you can open up, or you can import this into your existing project to use it. But before that, if you want to use the same font that I have used, then I will recommend you to open up this font folder and open up this font link, and over here you will find two different fonts, Pop-in and Prompt. Both of these fonts are free for commercial use, so you can use them. So copy these font links to your browser, download and install them. If you don't want to use this font, then you can skip this part. Okay, now let's open up the After Effects project file. So I'm going to open up this folder and just double click on this project file. Now in the After Effects, in the project window, you will find three different folders. So first one is edit, and then final, and then assets. You can ignore the asset one. In the edit, you can edit all of the lower thirds colors and text, etc., which I will show you in a moment. And in the final, you will find all of these actual lower thirds. So there is total 20 different lower thirds. So you can just double click on any one of them to see the preview over here, and they all have in and out animation. If you just go to the next lower third, now as you can see, like so. Now I'm going to close all of these lower thirds and I'm going to create a blank composition. Now as you can see, I have created a blank composition and dropped a dummy image over here to show you the example. I'm just gonna open up this final folder again and drag and drop my desired lower third. So I'm gonna use this lower third one, but you can drag and drop any lower third you want. Now over here, I'm just gonna scale this up a bit. If I just play back, as you can see, it will play over here and it has an out animation. So if you want, you can decrease or increase the lower third duration over here, and from the transform tab you can also scale this down and move it wherever you want over here. Okay, now let's see how to change the text, color, etc. For that, you have to open up this edit folder and open up the text and open up the proper folder. So for me it's lower third 1, and over here you will find there is three different titles over here. So this is text 1, and then text 2, and this is the text 3. So just double click on the text over here and you can type your text. So once you're done typing, just select this move tool. Now as you can see, some of the portions of the text are going outside of the box. So you need to scale this down from here, from this transform tab, or you can size this down from here as well. Make sure it's inside the box entirely. Okay, now I'm gonna close this one and let's open up this text 2, and you can type your text over here as well. Once you're done, just close this one as well. And this is the text 3, and this one has a text box, as you can see. So all of the text box in the lower thirds are auto resizable. So if you just go inside and type your text, let's suppose type anything you want, and if you just go back, as you can see, it will be auto resized. So now if I just play back, everything will be adjusted according with this title. Okay, now let's see how to change the colors. So for that, you can open up the color folder and over here double click on this color lower third 1, and here you can select this color control layer, and from the effects control you will find all of these settings. If you can't see this effects control, just go to Windows and make sure this checked over here. And now you can change the world transform over here. You can also skew them, and you can also change the position of individual text. And if the text has any text box, so for me it's text 3, you can turn off that, or you can control the padding as well as the roundness. And now for the colors, you can change all of these colors over here, like so. So that's basically it. In the same step, you can drag and drop any lower third you want and edit them depending on your need.